All right, as we continue to be excellent in Excel. That is an awful pun, and I make no apologies. We're going to do a trick right now. I'm going to make you turn numbers into money. Very exciting. So let's go. I'm going to go to column F. Remember, columns go up and down. Rows go side to side. So I'm going to go to column F. You don't have to, but you will if you're awesome. Column F, I'm going to write a number 100 and then 456, 692, 701, and 808. All right, right now, those are simple, boring, sad numbers. Now, however, if I highlight them, you remember that from our previous lesson, highlighting is super awesome. I can change this, how it's shown. If we go up here to our home ribbon, there's a couple ways to do it. This is the easy way. Home ribbon, go over here, we see a dollar sign. Actually, do a little drop down, we see lots of other denominations. Let's go with a dollar and click. Bam! Check it out. All of those have now become dollars. $100, $456. We have made numbers into cold, hard cash. I want you to do the same.